Hello and welcome to my channel, Beardy Vlogger. My name is Mick, and in today's video, actually, we're celebrating a new camera that I just purchased for this channel. And I purchased it from Tyson and Faithfully Bearded, and he gave me such an amazing deal. I've been wanting to upgrade my camera from using my cell phone all the time to something like this for a really long time. And so the price was so good that I just couldn't say no. So thank you again, Tyson, for that. And thank you also for sending me this sampler pack from Sphinx along with my purchase. That was really kind of you, so thank you so much for that. I just want to do a very quick first impression on some of the Sphinx scents that are out there. I think down the road I'm going to purchase some Sphinx and do a full review for you guys, but I have been just super excited to try these guys out for actually a really long time right now. So their sampler comes in a little box like this that flips open like this, and then inside you can see what you have for samples. So we're just going to go through all the scents here real quick. So the first one is the Black Desert. That's got a nice, I want to say it has a bit of a smoky scent to it. It's a little bit smoky, also with some nice cologne type fragrance. This one is the Choke Cherry. Oh, this one smells really good. You definitely pick up the cherry, but it's not like the cherry fruit in its sweetness. It actually has some depth to it. Like there's something else in behind there that gives it like this warm, richer scent than just the cherry. I actually really like this a lot. The next scent here is their Apotheosis. I don't know if you can see that. This one I'm gonna have to warm up to really get what it is. And the oils are kind of like a light medium. Oh, that one's really strong. Oh, actually, now that I warmed up in my hands, it's really strong. This one, I want to say, what does this smell like? This reminds me of, not a caramel, but like some kind of a candy that's not sweet almost, but you know, like caramel, where it has kind of like that richness to it. It's definitely a sweet scent, but not like a candy sweet, almost like a cologne type sweet. This one's really interesting. Oh, and it really actually hit me super strong. I can see that as being like a really long lasting scent. I'm gonna quickly wash my hands before I come back because I've got 3 different scents in there now. I want to make sure they're not mixing. One thing's for sure, these are not gonna fall out of the sample box. They are in there deep. The next one here is the Ecstasy. Warm this up a bit. This one is definitely, it's got a hint of like a lemon or a lime, and there's some sweetness in there too, like a fruity kind of sweetness. Then we've got Ancient Kingdom. Man, these ones, they just don't, it's really interesting for me because I don't, maybe it's because of the sampler dram, but I'm not really picking up much of a scent out of the bottle. But then as soon as I warm it up in my hand, like it's just instant. It's instant. I can smell it and it comes on real strong. So Ancient Kingdom is a very nice scent as well. They're all kind of like cologne, sweet type of scents. And then there's Smoulder, which I've heard is really amazing, but I'm curious to see if I'll like it. Again, like I smell just about nothing out of the dram here. Oh, yeah, I can see now why people like Smoulder. This is... Oh, that smells so good. I don't know how to explain it. It's, again, just like the other ones. They're very, like, sweet cologne type scents. Really, like, deep, rich scents. They're all pretty good. I don't know if there's any one that I would really pick over the other. This is actually going to be a tough choice for me on which one I want to pick in a full size, but these all smell really great. I think Sphinx did a really good job. The oils are definitely like a lighter to medium weight oil. Thank you again, Tyson, for the sweet deal on the camera and the mic, and thank you for sending me Sphinx as kind of like a gift along with that, as well, as if you didn't already give me an amazing deal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. I just want to do a very quick first impression on some of this. So we're just gonna go through all the scents here real quick. Just gonna put a little bit in and warm that up. Wow, it's actually really hard to put a lid on with one hand, but check it out, I'm doing it. Doing it. I'll put this one back. I think when I go to purchase my...
Perfect.